So hi guys. Yeah, they say the early bird catches the early worm, but yes, I'm here right now at SM Trade Hall, SM City Cebu Trade Hall for the grand launch of A7 Mark III here in Cebu. So I'm gonna try out, I'm gonna have test shoot the A7 Mark III here. So this is the full frame camera. It's unlike this one, which is a crop sensor. So the rest of this video will be shot using the A7 Mark III. So let's see if there's a difference between of course, the full frame sensors, the in-body stabilization, plus of course the other features that I like. Check out this video for my review and my test shoot for the A7 Mark III. So I'm here with Austin, one of the on-job staff of Sony. So now I'm using it. This is 4K 25p. So by the way, yes, I'm now using the A7 Mark III with 24 to 70 G master lens. So yeah, check out this video because I'm going around here to test out this camera. I'm here right now with Miss Villar and Jerome. They're the speakers today, by the way. So Sony users. Today I'm gonna ask them about why we should consider the A7 Mark III for our photography and videography needs.
Yes. Well, first of all, I love it has so many amazing features like sensitivity. It's really amazing, like you have no problem focusing now in the dark. So that for me for weddings, that's really crucial. And you have just the right amount of megapixels. I am an R user because I shoot lots of billboards and stuff. But for weddings, you don't need any more than 24 megapixels. Nothing is going to get blown out bigger than that. Also, you have the camera life, which is much bigger, so you won't have to worry about running out of batteries. Jerome?
For me, unang-una po yung pagiging lightweight niya. Kasi for us, sports photographer, sobrang dami namin dala palagi pag nag-shoot. So, advantage yung malaking ginhawa pag magang yung dala namin sa coverage kasi minsan 3 to 4 hours nakatayo kami. So, malaking ginhawa yung lightweight.
Now we're gonna talk about focus. For you, it's the eye autofocus. How do you find the eye autofocus of this one?
Yeah, well, since I'm a portrait photographer, I need to make sure that my images are always stacked sharp on the eyes. This one does not miss a beat. So even if your subject is moving, the eye focus will track the eyes of your subject and accurately focus on the eyes. So even if your subject is spinning around, it's not a problem. Your eyes are always going to be tack sharp, even at 1.4 at full opening.
And you're the tracking autofocus of this one.
Ako ginagamit ko palagi yung AF continuous kasi continuous yung movement ng subject. Kaya sa experience ko okay na okay sa akin kasi minsan sa 10 frames ko minsan walang sumasablay na focus.
So sharp, huh?
Also the ISO, it's so clean. Did I mention that earlier?
Oh yeah, the low light. Yeah,
yeah. Also, focusing in the dark, it's much faster than the other cameras that I have.
So how is
actually faster than the R?
When it comes to flash syncing, how is this doing?
Yeah, actually I've used it with flash as well, so no problem. It syncs really. It's correct to the sync. I honestly, the only difference with the R and this one really is just the megapixels. So you're getting a premium camera for the fraction of the cost.
How about you, Jerome? How about the shutter speed and the high ISO performance?
Sa akin, for me, okay na okay siya for sports photography kasi it helps me capture the movement, the intensity of the game, plus yung 10 frames per second. Sobrang good na siya for sports photography. The ISO, yan, sa sports, kailangan namin yung malinis na ISO kasi nagde-depend kami dun sa available light dun sa venue. So, the cleaner, the better.
Yeah. I'd also like to add a double SD slot. So you don't have to worry about changing your SD cards. Even if your SD cards are not such large files, not a problem because you can put it there. So you don't have to worry about changing it on the fly. You know, you're set, your battery's set. So.
And finally, as Sony users, are you happy with the battery, the new battery?
May nagtatanong nga sa akin kung gaano katagal, kung ilang shots. Sinasabi ko palagi, nakaka 4 to 5 games ako bago ako magpalit ng batteries. Ano yan, full coverage from start to beginning. 4 to 5 games.
Yeah. Actually, I'm getting spoiled. Because normally before I'd always get paranoid. Oh, charge your batteries, right? But now, it's like, you get lazy, you're like, still has a lot of load in there. You know, so you're so confident. Like before, the other users of other brands would tell me, yeah, you know, Sony's amazing, but your batteries, you know, it gets drained so fast. And I always had an answer for that. I'd always say, you know what, when you drive a Ferrari, do you complain about the gas? That was my answer, right? But now, I don't say that anymore. I'm like, well, now, you know, it's a Ferrari and you don't have to worry about the gas. Yeah.
And thank you so much. And by the way, where can they reach you for your works? Yeah, just plug it here.
Please follow me, Pilar Tricobonin, photographer. Don't forget the word photographer. The other one is private account. Yeah. And my Instagram, Pilar T Photography.
Follow me at Instagram, Jerome Spin. Jerome 15 Instagram. Then follow my works at spin.ph. Yeah, it's a sports website.
I always watch that.
If you're looking for a fast camera with an affordable price, this A7 Mark III is the perfect camera for you. So it combines the speed of the A9 and then the performance of the A7 Mark III in a small body, which is the A7 Mark III. So this camera is already available in stores, so you may check all our dealers in Cebu. And then, yeah, you can check out the stores and touch and try the camera there, so you can check if this camera fits you.
I finally finished my test shoot of this one. I really like it with the G Master lens. It is so awesome, guys. And also the new features, the eye autofocus is more responsive. The touch screen is also awesome. So it's another good feature of this one. And also, of course, if you're gonna test the videos, this video is taken all with this A7 Mark III. So, guys, if you're looking for a new camera, basic that's packed with lots of features, this one's one of the best out there in the market. In fact, DP Review just said this is one of the best cameras below $2,000 or $2,000 below. But here in the Philippines, it's around 120,000 plus. But hey, it's gonna be worth it. All the features are there for sports, for portrait, for wedding, for videographers. This is really awesome, so you better check this out. Thank you for watching this video, and hey, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and more importantly, click the bell, the notif button so that you'll be notified when I have a new video.